Hi everyone, today I will show you how to draw heart-shaped candy canes step by step. So let's start our drawing. We start by drawing two reference curves because we will get the appearance of the candy canes by taking these curves as a reference. We have drawn our two reference curves. Now we will obtain the appearance of our candy canes by following the reference curves. We draw to obtain the appearance of the candy canes, and we achieved heart-shaped appearance of our candy canes. Now, after adding curves to the inside of the candy canes, we will move on to painting with red and white colors. To add dimension to our candy canes, you can draw curves like I did. And now it's time to color. I prefer to color with marker pen. You can use another coloring options. You don't need to use a marker pen. You can use a darker tone of the colors you use to add a little 3 dimension. And our heart-shaped candy canes are ready. For more such drawing videos, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. See you in the next drawings.